Hello friends, my name is Bhavesh and in this video we are going to discuss about the escape sequence. In C language there are some special characters available that are called as escape sequence. Escape sequence are a character written as backward slash followed by a character like this slash and comma slash t. Further we will discuss about this example. A backward slash is called as escape character because it makes the character following it to escape from its original meaning and give a special meaning to a character. That is, this backward slash is called as escape character. It gives the different meaning to the next character. That is, just a simple n have a different meaning than having a backward slash in front of that n. It makes the character following it to escape from its original meaning and give a special meaning to that character. Escape sequence may appear as two characters. That is, here look at this slash n. You will find out that there are two characters. One is backward slash and another is end. But in reality, it is just a single character. That is, the compiler just read it as a single character. Now we will see the example for escape sequence character, meaning of them and the description. First is slash n. Meaning of it is new line. Description. If we write a code, then the output of this will be hello will be on the one line, another line will be world. Because the cursor will print hello and then the slash n, that means the new line, then it will move on to the new line, then print world. Next is slash t. That means tab. One tab is equal to 8 space. If we write the code that is printf hello slash t world, then the output of it will be hello 8 spaces. After the 8 spaces it will print world. Next is slash b. That means backspace. If the code will be printf hello slash b world, then output of it will be HELL. It will not print O because instead of O it will print W. Escape sequence character is slash b, so it will move the cursor one space backward and print the next word, that is W. That is it will emit the O. Instead of O it will print W. Therefore our output will be HELL world, hell world. Next is slash single quotation mark. That means single quote. If the code is like this, printf slash single quotation mark hello world slash single quotation mark, then output of it will be hello world in single quotation mark, like this. Next is double quotation mark, that is slash double quotation, that is double quotes. If the code will be like this, printf slash double quote hello slash double quote, then output of it will be double quotation mark hello world, double quotation mark complete. Next is, if we write the code like printf slash backslash hello world slash backslash then the output will be backslash hello world, again backslash.